Just getting packed up to leave Wawa, and I think we hit 100% humidity with that rain we had yesterday. Everything's damp. It's not that cold, fortunately, but we might collect a little moisture along the way. Today's just another high mileage day. We're aiming for Dryden, about 800k, and then we'll get back into a few things to see. The day started off with heavy fog, but at least it wasn't raining. Yet. As we rode, the clouds got heavier and it started to rain. Back into the rain suits for us. Well, we're back in Terrace Bay. Been fighting fog and rain all morning, but according to the radar, it's supposed to be past. It's a little overcast now, a little foggy, but the roads at least have dried up. So hopefully we got some better riding weather. Jinx it. I already did. I don't know. Like snow. It could happen. It could happen. Anything's possible these days. Then I think I'm going to have to take off another layer. I use a Bluetooth remote for my GoPro 3. It's less dangerous than trying to see if it's on or not, as it doesn't have an LED screen on the back. I think the remote got wet while it was raining because I could turn the camera on, but when I went to try and turn it off, it would disconnect and it wouldn't work. I have about 60 continuous miles of footage. Here's a small sample.
I'll make her, I just need a good break.
Oh yeah.
It's only gained an hour.
You stupid camera.
If I'm not wrong.
As punishment for not connecting to the remote properly, the GoPro 3 spent the remainder of the trip in the saddlebag. We tend to take more breaks on these long days, especially this far into the trip as our asses hurt. At our last stop before Dryden, we met a guy from Manitoba that was on his way home after spending 18 days on the road, going to the Maritimes and back. Sounds like one hell of a trip.
Just figured leave that for cars.
We made it to Dryden, and my butt hurts bad. Had to check a few hotels before we could find one, so we're staying at the Town and Country, which is where we stayed the first time on our way through. So this is our place of choice every time we come through here, because they always seem to have a room for us, which is great. Hot, I think over 800 kilometers today, but I think tomorrow we're going to do a shorter day, so that should be good. I'm looking for a beer, maybe some food too. Oh, that tastes damn good.
Yes. The chicken burger from hell. This was the restaurant across the street from our hotel, and they had a special on for a Southwest chicken burger. Little did we know what we were getting into. I swear they somehow deboned a whole chicken, breaded it, and put it on a bun. This is a giant sandwich.
Oh, I am in agony. I just finished eating what I suspect was a ostrich burger. That was the biggest chicken burger I've ever seen in my life. So I probably won't even eat breakfast tomorrow, but we've had 2 really long days. We've had pretty good heat combined with rain, so we're cold and wet, hot and overheating. Tomorrow we're just heading to Gimli, Manitoba. Should be a shorter day. We're only doing about 450 k's, so after 2 long days that sounds pretty good. And then after that, I think I still got 2 days before I get home, so we're starting to really pile on the miles here. It's been good so far, but my butt hurts. So anyway, have a good night. See you in the morning.